Hello. Well, something super exciting and different for us today, but after literally hundreds of thousands of comments across all my channels, we are finally ready to announce this little beauty. So I have been a chef for well over 20 years. I absolutely love food. All I ever wanted to do was to become a chef. But my content journey has only been the past 18 months. But the support that you guys give us, the amount of views that we get across all the channels, the comments, everything literally blows my mind every single day. So I'm super excited to be able to share this with you finally. The Andy Cook's Cookbook. So what's this book all about? Well, it's about my love affair with bringing people and families back to the table. Growing up as a kid, we always ate at the table. We ate breakfast by the table. If we weren't at school, we'd eat lunch by the table, and at dinner time, we definitely ate at the table. And I feel like with the busy lives everyone's having, that tradition seems to have been lost a bit. Now, I think food needs to be celebrated, and bringing people back to the table encourages conversations and gets people talking, whether that's with your friends or your family. So the way I've designed this book is that you go through and choose a protein, like this beautiful rib of beef with rosemary salt, and then you'll choose a salad, like this delicious burrata salad with blistered tomatoes, and then the carbs, like my absolute favorite triple cooked chips. And it definitely wouldn't be an Andy Cook's cookbook without a burgers and sandwiches section, so there's a few of my favorites in there as well. This book has taken me so long to pull together because I wanted to get it right. It's a dream of any chef to be able to publish a book, and I didn't take that responsibility lightly. I wanted to make sure that we nailed it, and I think we kind of have. I'm really happy with the outcome. So apart from those three main sections, there's some other sections which I think add amazing value, from dishes like the pad see ew, there's a breakfast section, and there's even some dessert sections, but the desserts are kind of more designed to be shared as well. The other cool section in here is my tips and techniques section, which is pulling from all my years of working professional kitchens and helping you trying to bring some of those techniques and stuff into the domestic or the home cooked kitchen. I kind of said this line a lot when I first started making content: just because you're a good chef doesn't make you a good home cook, and vice versa. Sharing my journey with you guys, I've become a much better home cook, and I really think this book will help you guys become better home cooks as well. So making a cookbook of this caliber definitely takes a team, and we had some of the best in the business help us on this cookbook. The photography, the food styling, the art direction, the publisher, the whole team came together to produce this incredible piece of literature, and I couldn't have asked for a better team that was assembled. One of the things that I look back on super fondly is the location shoots that we did. One in an olive grove in Victoria, which is one of my favorite places in the world. All my friends come together, we cooked a bunch of food, and we took some incredible photos that are in this book. The other location shoot that we did was at South Melbourne Market, which is where me and Caitlin used to shop at every Sunday morning. I absolutely love that place. I love the community around that market, and I think it's literally one of the best markets in the world. So I was super privileged that I could shoot in those locations, and I'm incredibly thankful that the team behind this book allowed me to express myself how I wanted to express myself. And I think it really comes through in the book. I'm so proud of this. And most importantly, I want to thank you, my community, because without you guys, none of this would have been possible. So the pre-order is now open, and the link is below. So go click that link and secure your pre-ordered book now. They'll be delivered in the next few months, and I cannot wait to start getting you guys tagging me when you receive this book and the stuff that you cook from it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Peace.